Fred Williams Excel Prime using VLOOKUP. We're going to incorporate that with an if statement. Well, let's test to see if this thing works out. True or false. Logical test, value of true, value of false. I don't think it's necessary to go over to the narrative, and certainly not necessary to go over this particular anatomy. What we're going to do, we just have an if statement. We test to see if this is true. I'm going to cheat. F9, it's true. All we're doing is testing to see if 310 exists. And if it does, then go over here. Here's our value of true. All we're doing is doing a VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP here. What are we looking for? 303, 303, whatever's in column 2. 303, Rebecca. We're going to do the same thing all across the board here. If you notice, we have this true NA deal. Let's take a peek. Value of true, we have this value lookup, logical, and then value of true. We know what true is. It's 1. That means we want an exact match. If it's not true, well, we want to throw an NA here. You could put 2 quotes there. You can do anything you want. That's what's going on here. And that's all we're going to do. We're going to copy this thing over to the right. The only change we need to make is we need to identify the correct column. That's all we're doing. We're shifting columns here. So if you notice, we're going to have 2 here. If this is true, then we're going to have 3. Then 4, 5, and then 6, and last 7. Now you could put a cell reference in here and make sure your references are correct and copy it right. It'll pick up that particular column. But in the interim, you can hard code it. Other than that, VLOOKUP. There's no surprises here. It's just reintroducing or maybe introducing the various combinations that you can mess around with VLOOKUP. Versatile tool. Use it or not. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.